quickly move on now and get you other updates this afternoon as far as for the former NCB officer. There is relief coming in the way for Sameer Wankhede in the extortion and the criminal misconduct case. Until now, he's able to get protection from arrest till the next hearing. Remember, now this was the interim relief that ended today while he had still approached the court asking for no coercion, or even when it comes to some sort of a relief on part of being arrested by the said authorities. As remember, he was questioned for several hours back on Saturday by the CBI.
हियरिंग है आज के बारे में कुछ कहेंगे? हियरिंग के बारे में खतरा है
वो कंटिन्यूसली 4 दिन से कुछ थ्रेट्स आ रहे हैं जो सीपी साहब के साथ में शेयर करेंगे।
सर आपने कोणी धमकी लेके अति कीमत की बात की
सर वो सीपी किस प्रकार के थ्रेट्स
करेंगे? मीडिया फॉलो ना करे,
मीडिया फॉलो ना करे, इसके लिए भी आप नहीं मीडिया की कुछ बात नहीं है, बट देयर आर सम सीरियस थ्रेट्स व्हिच आर देयर।
सर आयुक्तांना भेटणार आहात का?
उनको सीपी साहब को इन्फॉर्म करेंगे।
Okay, Sameer Wankhede quite refusing to break his silence, not speaking to the media, has been directed by the Bombay High Court. Before I take in a word from Arunil, we have Radhika on the phone line as well. Interim relief coming in for Sameer Wankhede. Radhika, the court though has directed him to not publish any material by the way of WhatsApp or any other mode on the subject matter of petition.
That's a strong directive given by the court today. In fact, the court has placed the matter on June 8th, by which time the CBI has to file its reply, and after which the matter will be heard on June 8th is when matter will be heard, and June 3rd is when CBI has to file its reply. Protection has been granted till the next date of hearing. So petitioner shall not publish any material by way of WhatsApp or any other mode on the subject matter of petition or investigation, or give press statements or tamper with evidence in any matter whatsoever. Is a clear directive given by the court, given undertaking to that effect, and shall attend to the investigation agency as and when called by the concerned officer. It's something the court has said. So petitioner has to give an undertaking, which means Sameer Wankhede has to give an undertaking saying that he will not interact with media or share anything with respect to this case before the media. Of course, now his interim relief has been extended to some sort of relief as far as Wankhede is concerned, but the court has also asked him to appear before the investigation agency as and when required. And one of the other matters that was also spoken about was the sanctioning that was challenged by Sameer Wankhede, that proper sanctioning was not obtained, approval for sanctioning was not obtained. To that effect, NCB has also filed a detailed affidavit speaking about the approval under 17A and
all
so
right.
on. So therefore,
I think on the affidavit part, Radhika, I would request Arunil to give us those details that are coming in. Exactly what has the NCB saying in that affidavit, and for how long that interim relief that has been granted to Sameer Wankhede. Arunil.
Well, the interim relief that was granted to Sameer Wankhede until today, that has been extended till the next day of hearing, that is June 8th. By June 3rd, as Radhika was pointing out, the CBI will have to file its reply in front of the Bombay High Court. Now, there was an interesting development that took place as well. The judge basically gave a rap in the knuckle to Sameer Wankhede, questioning that what was the need to reveal those chats to the media, basically share those chats with the media with Shahrukh Khan. The counsel, Abad Ponda, senior counsel representing Sameer Wankhede, also mentioned about the fact that Shahrukh Khan in the chats was basically repeatedly saying that Sameer Wankhede is an upright officer and he was doing his job basically of cleaning up the drug menace from the society. However, the counsel representing the CBI then countered it, saying that Shahrukh Khan was only a father of then accused, basically Aryan Khan, and he was only concerned about the well-being of his child. So yes, arguments took place, but it seems like there is an interim relief that has been granted to Mr. Sameer Wankhede. That means no coercive action, that means no arrest from CBI can take place. However, Sameer Wankhede will have to be present whenever CBI calls him. Till now, twice CBI has called him for questioning, for interrogation. So whenever CBI wants to call Sameer Wankhede, he will have to be present there. But the CBI cannot arrest Sameer Wankhede, and Sameer Wankhede cannot indulge in anything, basically speak to the media, put anything in media, or give out any kind of details related to the investigation that it can influence the entire case.
Okay, all right. What you're telling us has been pointed out by the judge, was also opined by highly placed sources in the NCB who were of the opinion that Sameer Wankhede had flouted all of those rules by producing those chats allegedly with Shahrukh Khan. Thank you for that, Arunil. We'll